station now where the streets are wide. A new way of traveling is taking its ride. The metro's here with its cars so bright, connecting the city day and night. Chennai Metro taking us away to the heart of the city. Every single day with its stations and trains, it's a beautiful sight. Chennai Metro making our lives feel just right. Lighthouse, it's a long way to go, but with the metro, the journey's smooth and slow. Through the tunnels and bridges, it's a thrilling ride. The metro's got the power to take us to the other side. Chennai Metro, taking us away to the heart of the city. Every single day with its stations and trains, it's a beautiful sight. Chennai Metro, making our lives feel just right. From Poonamallee to Lighthouse, it's a long way to go, but with the metro, the journey's smooth and slow. Through the tunnels and bridges, it's a thrilling ride. The metro's got the power to take us to the other side. Chennai Metro, taking us away to the heart of the city. Every single day with its stations and trains, it's a beautiful sight. Chennai Metro, making our lives feel just right. With its modern technology and its eco-friendly way, the metro's the future of transportation today. It's fast, it's reliable, and it's safe to ride. The Chennai Metro is riding with pride. Chennai Metro, making our lives feel just right.
Poonamallee is rising high.